GETT is your system partner for creating individual operating solutions. We accompany you from the product idea through the development of prototypes and onto serial production. In that way, you get everything from a single source and at the same time benefit from our worldwide supplier network, a strong project and development team and varied vertical manufacturing integration. Where others stop, we get going. Our production consists of 8 departments. We use various methods in the field of casting technology. The appropriate casting technology provides ideal protection when, for example, modules need protection from moisture, mechanical, thermal or electrical stress, or from unauthorized access.